I just got a new CNC. I got a new CNC. Like wasting 1 hour to make all this was totally worth it. Anyway, I have a new CNC from CNC Router Parts. I already put it together. Actually, Daniel from Switch and Lever was here too. We had so much fun. It was like building a Lego, and I didn't do really a great job filming it, but here's what I got. This video is not sponsored. I received this machine for free, but I get a lot of stuff for free. I have another CNC router behind the camera, another one in the loft. I don't show it because I don't like it. If they want it back, I can send it back, no problem. But this one, I'm in love. Like seriously, it works amazing. Putting it together was like, so much fun. Let me show you the test piece I made.